In this video, we will learn how to create vacation rental marketplace website. We can easily create just such vacation rental website using premium source code. We are getting powerful admin panel to manage this website. We can control all the features and functionalities of the website step by step through the admin panel. Because you are getting all kinds of features section to control this vacation rental website, no need to worry because in this video I will teach you how to customize admin panel functionalities. Also you get nice homepage design. This homepage design will impress any customer. Customers can select their preferred locations. Then every customer can select the check-in and check-out time date as per their preference. Now customers can choose their preferred rooms and rent. Customers can select specific guests. Then they can apply for room booking. Also we can show the names of different places on the home page of our website. And we can see the room booking lists of different places. Customers can rent the rooms of their choice. Yes, of course, any company owners can post rooms for rent in their particular location on our website. For this, company owners must create account on our website. Then company owners can post their hotel room listings by logging into our website. For this, company owners can publish their hotel room information by submitting here step by step. Hotel company owners can also check their inboxes. Here mainly the customers give SMS to the company owner to know various information. Company owners can also view their hotel room listings. And we can see the booking lists. We can see all the payout lists in our account. Also we can see all the transaction history of our account. Hotel company owners can easily manage the website through their account. For this, company owners are getting all kinds of features and functionalities in their account. So let us now learn step by step how to create a vacation renting marketplace website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create vacation rental marketplace website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the source code in the video description. If you buy the source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also you get source code update version for lifetime and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this, we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish vacation rental marketplace website online. You can purchase high quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete, we will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 7.3 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we will go to our source code folder. Then we will upload the zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we need to add permissions to some folders. So now we will learn how to add permissions to folders. Now we have to do the purchase verification, so we have to submit the purchase information here. Now we have to submit the database information here. So now we will learn how to create database in hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect hosting panel database to website. Now we have to submit the admin login information of the website. Wow, we have successfully installed the source code. Now our website is completely ready. Now we can easily customize the features and functionalities of the website by logging into the admin panel. You will find the important features and functionalities of the website in the settings section. Importantly, you must customize this settings section as per your needs. Also, you get some more nice features section to manage the website very nicely. If you have any problem customizing the website or don't understand anything about the admin panel, then definitely contact us, because we will teach you about the admin panel and help you how to customize the website. In this video, I have introduced you to the excellent source code for building a vacation rental marketplace website. You get all kinds of features and functionality to build a vacation rental marketplace website in this source code. If you have any query about this video, then definitely comment and contact us directly via WhatsApp and email. Thank you very much to watch this full video. If you want to watch our next videos, then definitely subscribe the channel.